Okay, so choosing the right foundation. It really is deeper than just going and picking out the shade that most closely matches your skin tone. First things first, know your skin type. Do you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin? A lot of foundations are created with your skin type in mind, so you're gonna need to know that. I have oily skin, so the last thing I would do is go and choose a foundation that's created for dry skin. Those typically are made with more oils and moisturizers, obviously to combat the dryness. So that's just going to make me oilier. You don't want that. So know your skin type so you can choose the appropriate foundation. Next, I lost my thought. Next, you're going to want to figure out what kind of finish do you want? Do you want a nice luminous, glowy, dewy finish, or do you want more of a matte look? Kind of dry it down but still cute. Understand which one you want. If you want to look like you're glowing, opt for a luminous dewy foundation. If not, matte is definitely going to be the way to go. But either way, know what those words mean just in case you don't, so you don't choose a foundation and then hate the way it looks. Third, I would say the most important thing to know when it comes to choosing the right foundation is knowing your undertones. You can either have a warm, cool, or neutral undertone. Hop on Google, ask Siri, do what you gotta do, figure out what your undertones are. That really is crucial because so many foundations are made based on your undertones. If you notice, some foundations have like Y at the end of the shade name, or R like yellow, red, sometimes a G for golden, N for neutral. Pay attention to those things when you're shopping around for foundations. Foundations with that included based on your undertones. If you don't know it, you're likely going to end up choosing the wrong one. Trust me, it makes a big difference understanding what your undertone is, because you can easily choose a foundation that appears to match your complexion perfectly, but especially in different lighting. Let's say it looks gorgeous on your face, but on your chest and your neck, it doesn't really match. That's why it's so important. Don't base it just off of your skin tone alone. Know your undertones so you can get as close to a perfect match as possible. Okay? So if you do all of those things, I promise you are well on your way to choosing the right foundation. Okay?